Hello everybody and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to connect a controller support on your Steam account. Now, in order to do this, you gotta make sure you have a proper controller, like a controller that has actual certifications, for example, from either Logitech, or you could get a controller from, Sony, as in a PS4 or PS5 or an Xbox controller. Doesn't really matter. Now, how to make sure if this controller is gonna work? You wanna head over and press on the Steam icon on the top left side. Press on it, go to settings. Once you're inside settings, you're gonna have this controller over here. Click on controller and select general controller settings. Once you do this, tick mark every single one of these, generate configure, and then close it, and then go back in, if only it will allow me. But I don't really have a controller connected right now, so it's gonna say no controllers detected. But if you do have a controller connected, it's gonna show up over here, select it, and that's about it. You're done. It's as simple as 1 2 3, just like ABCs. And with that being said, that is the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we're gonna be coming up with more videos in the future with more helpful tutorials for you guys. With that being said, hit that subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.